Hi, this is Sergio from Period 4, and today we're going to be going over Unit G, Concepts 1 through 7. This is the equation x to the third plus 3x squared plus 2x over x squared plus x minus 2. Now, the top is actually bigger than the bottom with the degree. It's degree third instead of the degree second, which is on the bottom. So we do not have a horizontal asymptote. So we can go ahead and cross that out. We have a slant asymptote, and our slant asymptote is x plus 4. So it's y equals x plus 4. And when you bring the x over to the other side, you get y equals parentheses 0, comma 4, and the x is negative 4, comma 0. Our vertical asymptote, after we factor this out, we can factor it again, and we get x parentheses x plus 2, close parentheses, parentheses x plus 1, close parentheses, over x plus 2 and x minus 1. We can go ahead and cross out x plus 2, and we're left off with x parentheses x plus 1, close parentheses, over x minus 1. So that means that we have a hole, and our hole is x equals negative 2, and when you plug that in, you get 0 comma negative 2/3 or 0 comma negative 0.6. Our domain is based on DIVA. Domain is vertical asymptotes and holes. So our bad values are 1 and negative 2. So our interval notation is negative infinity to negative 2, union negative 2 to 1, union 1 to positive infinity. Our x-intercepts, we set y equal to 0. We cross out the denominator, and we basically get x equals negative 1. Our y-intercept, we plug in 0 to the x's, and we're left off with 0 over negative 1. So that means that y equals 0. And our points are the x-intercept is negative 1, comma 0, and the y-intercept is 0, comma 0. Now remember that when you plug these in, you have to plug it into the simplified equation because you have a hole, so that means that you have to use a simplified one. Now, I put my graph on a piece of graph paper because I messed up on the original one. So the points that we're going to be using are negative 3, negative 4, and 0.5 for the left side of the graph, and for the right side we're going to be using 2, 3, and 4. And this is your graph with the slant asymptotes and the vertical asymptotes. You can see that the hole is right here, and the graph does not go through the hole. It goes around it. And yeah, this is the graph. Thanks for watching, guys.